Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S50, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM to the device. So to get started, let's tap on the phone right here, and we can go into the contacts and tap on three dots and import export. From here, choose your SIM card, assuming that's where your contacts are. Tap on next and then choose where you want to copy it. Now for me there's two options, but if you're not logged into Google, you will only have the phone option. And that's anyway what I want to select, so phone contacts, and tap on next. And here we have list of all the contacts that are on the SIM card, so you can check them on depending on which one you want, as you can see. So select the ones that you want, and once you're satisfied, tap on OK, and that's it, you're done. The contacts have been imported, and you can also see which contacts are where. When you look at the, for instance, right here, contact, you can see that there is a tiny little icon of a one with a SIM card and one, and then the one below doesn't actually have that. So the one that have the one means that they're located, the contact is located on the SIM card 1 slot, while the ones without it are located on your phone or Google account. So yeah. So that is basically how you would copy contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.